Good morning, students. In our previous video, we have already discussed for loop. Today, we are going to discuss while loop. A while loop is a conditional loop that will repeat the instructions within itself as long as conditional remains true. That means a while statement in Python executes a block of code repeatedly as long as the test or condition of the loop is true. The control condition of the while loop is executed before any statement in the body of the loop is executed. If the condition is true, the body of the loop is executed. Again, the control condition of the loop is tested and the loop continues as long as the condition remains true. When the test outcome of this condition becomes false, the loop is not entered again and the control is transferred to that statement immediately following the body of the loop. Its syntax: while, test expression, body of while, then else, body of else. While is a reserved word. Test expression is a condition to be checked for true or false value. Body of loop consists of single or multiple statements. Else is optional and executed when test condition evaluates to false. For example, go to Python idle. Okay, file, new file. Count equal to 1. While count less than or equal to 5 colon indentation print count, then count equal to count plus 1, count plus 1. Okay, first count equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 5. Is it true? True. Print the count. First 1 return ചെയ്യും, then count in the value ഒന്ന് കൂട്ടുമ്പോൾ 2 ആവും, then condition വീണ്ടും നോക്ക് 2 less than or equal to 5. Yes, true. Then count display ചെയ്യും 2, then 3 ആവും count, 3 less than or equal to 5. Okay, അങ്ങനെ 4, 5, 6 വരുമ്പോൾ 6 less than or equal to 5. Condition false ആകുമ്പോൾ ലൂപ്പിൽ നിന്ന് എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. That means ഒരു condition true ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിനകത്തിലെ statements execute ചെയ്യും, otherwise else block execute ചെയ്യും. ഇവിടെ else കൊടുത്തിട്ടില്ല, so execute ചെയ്യും. Run മുട്ടിയു. Must you save 2.py 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, next another example. Count equal to or counter equal to 0, then while counter greater than, okay, or not greater than, less than 3, print message inside loop, then counter equal to counter plus 1. Okay, here loop control variable counter is initialized with 0. It checks for the value of counter up to 3. The loop shall be executed till this value. Every time the loop gets executed, the message inside loop get displayed, followed by incrementing the value counter in each iteration. Thus the loop shall iterate for 3 times and shall terminate as the value of counter bit becomes 3. Okay, run motive. 3 times inside loop, inside loop, inside loop. Till now we have discussed the while loop construct without the use of else part. Now we will see how else construct performs well with the while loop. Okay. X equal to 0, S equal to 0, while X less than 10, S equal to S plus X, then X equal to X plus 1. Okay, then else, colon indentation, print the sum of first 9 integers is comma S. Okay. Run motive. The sum of first 9 integers is 45. Next, jump statements. Looping allows a user to program and repeat tasks efficiently. In certain situations, when some particular condition occurs, a user may want to exit a loop or come out the loop forever, or skip some statements of the loop before continuing further in the loop. These requirements can be taken care of the use of break and continue control statements respectively. Python provides these jump statements as a tool to give more flexibility to the programmer to control the logic of loops. First one, break statement. Break statement terminates the current loop. That is the loop in which it appears and resumes execution at the next statement immediately after the end of that loop. If break statement is inside a nested loop, break will terminate the innermost loop. What do you mean by break statement? It enables a program to skip over a part of the code. For example, for variable val in string, 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 okay, if val equal to I, string I, then break, print val, then print over. In this program we iterate through the string sequence. When letter is I, it breaks the loop. Hence we see in our output that all the letters get printed till I, after which the loop terminates. It prints over the last statement of the program, which is not a part of the for loop. The for loop in the part alla. Separate. Okay. Valid value I ആവുമ്പോൾ break ചെയ്യുക. Break means stops or terminates. Okay, clear? Next, continue statement. The continue statement forces the next iteration of the loop to take place, skipping any code in between. When a continuous statement is encountered, the control jumps to the beginning of the loop for next iteration, thus skipping the execution of statements inside the body of loop for the current iteration. As usual, the loop condition is checked to see if the loop should continue further or terminate. If the condition of the loop is still true, the loop is entered again, else the control is transferred to the statement immediately following the loop. For example, continue. For while in string, val equal to I, continue, print val, print then over. This program is same as the above example except that the break statement has been replaced with a continue. We continue with the loop if the string is I, not executing the rest of the block. Hence we see in our program that all the letters are printed except I. After that, when the loop terminates, it's print over the last statement of the program, which is not the part of for loop. Okay, run motive. str I വരുന്നില്ല. എപ്പോഴാണോ I വരുന്നിടത്ത് കണ്ടിന്യൂ എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. I വരുമ്പോൾ എന്തോ വീണ്ടും കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി അത് എക്സിക്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറയുന്നില്ല, കണ്ടിന്യൂ ആണ്. ദെൻ വീണ്ടും പോയി NG പ്രിന്റ് ചെയ്യും. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഫോർ ലൂപ്പിലല്ലാത്ത സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് പ്രിന്റ് ഓവർ എന്നുള്ള മെസ്സേജ് ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ, ക്ലിയർ? ദെൻ പാസ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്. The pass statement is a null operation. That means nothing happened when it executes. It is used when a statement is required syntactically but you do not want any command or code to execute. The pass statement is a null operation. Nothing happens when it executes. The pass is also useful in places where your code will eventually go but has not been written yet. However, nothing happens when pass is executed. It results in no operation. Syntax pass. Okay, for example, sequence equal to single quotes P, comma, single quotes A, comma, S, comma, S. Okay. For val in sequence, pass. Pass means nothing, ഒന്നും happen ചെയ്യത്തില്ല. Okay, run. ഒരു blank line, വെറുതെ ഒരു command line മാത്രമാണ് എക്സിക്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Nothing happens. Okay. Thus we have come to the end of today's session. Today we have learned jump statements and while loop. Thank you.